Today's recipe is from Lebanon. I'm going to show you how to make a delicious Lebanese pastry cream called Ushta. Ushta is used in many Lebanese and Arabic pastries all over the Mediterranean. This is a fundamental recipe. Fundamental recipes are basic recipes. These basic recipes can then be used to make other recipes. To make Ushta, you will need 7 pieces of sliced white bread with the crusts removed, torn into pieces, 1/2 cup of cornstarch, 1/2 cup of water, 2 cups of whole milk, 3 cups of heavy cream, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of rose flower water, and 1 tablespoon of orange flower water. Okay, let's make the Ushta. It may seem odd to use white bread as a base for a pastry cream, but it's really delicious. It's a very stable pastry cream, and once you try it, you'll see what I mean. I think you'll really like it. Cut the crusts off your slices of bread, and then set the crust aside. You do not need the crusts for this recipe. I just make them into breadcrumbs and use them to feed the birds. Once you have the crust cut off, tear the bread into small pieces. The pieces do not have to be perfect. Now put the 1/2 cup cornstarch into a small bowl. Add the 1/2 cup water all at once, and then stir together very well. The water and cornstarch should be completely dissolved and smooth. Make sure there are no lumps of cornstarch. If your cornstarch mixture isn't smooth and free of lumps, you may have problems later. In a small saucepan, add the 2 cups of milk. Next, add the 3 cups of heavy cream. Then add the cornstarch and water mixture. Next, add the 3 tablespoons of sugar. Lebanese desserts are often served with atr, a sweet sugar syrup, so the Ushta isn't very sweet. If you want the Ushta sweeter, just add more sugar to taste. Stir the milk with a whisk or spoon until well mixed. Now put the saucepan on the stove and set it to medium or medium-high heat. Add all of the torn pieces of bread into the milk. Stir the bread into the milk. From this point, you must stir the milk constantly. The bread will start to dissolve into the milk. The milk and bread will slowly start to thicken as it comes to a boil. Make sure that you keep stirring the milk mixture constantly to prevent burning. Stirring constantly also helps to keep the mixture smooth. When the mixture starts to boil, it will suddenly get thicker and thicker. Continue stirring until the mixture is very thick and looks lumpy, like oatmeal. Keep stirring the mixture until you achieve this consistency, thick and gloppy. At this point, switch to a whisk and really whisk the mixture together over the heat for about a minute. The whisking will help to make the mixture into a smooth, creamy consistency. Turn off the heat. Make sure that the mixture is smooth and creamy. If it isn't completely smooth, just whisk it a bit more until it gets completely smooth. Add in 1 tablespoon of rose flower water, add in 1 tablespoon of orange flower water, Whisk the mixture until the rose and orange flower waters are fully incorporated. The mixture should be very smooth and very creamy and very thickened at this point. You have now made Ushta. Pour the hot Ushta into a heat-proof bowl or container. Take a piece of plastic wrap and place it right on top of the Ushta. Make certain to press down on the plastic so that it sticks to the surface of the Ushta. This will prevent a tough skin from forming on the Ushta as it cools down. Place the plastic-covered hot Ushta into the refrigerator and let it chill for 24 hours. Once chilled, the Ushta is ready to use in many recipes. The taif are a delicious pancake drizzled with a sweet syrup called atr. Ushta ice cream is smooth and creamy, really delicious. Ushta can be cut into panna cotta-like squares. Candied apricots stuffed with Ushta, really delicious. And Ushta with kataifi, a shredded phyllo-like pastry. Ushta is the delicious Lebanese pastry cream that is very stable and also very versatile. You can use it in traditional Lebanese and Arabic pastries or adapt it for use in many of your own desserts and pastries. I hope you try it.